Today I will be talking about my most important Edmodo feature, which is the polls. Now, how do I use the poll? First, I click on my student class. Then this space. Now, as you can see, it reads type your post here. Now, below this is create a poll. With this, I can create my poll. Now, this is a format for your poll, but the first thing is to type poll question. Now, in this case, I want to get a feedback from the students if they prefer my lesson notes in video format or in PDF format. So I type, do you prefer lesson notes video or PDF format? What I do is to ask the questions. So here I have two options. I have a space for option 1, space for option 2, and if I want to add more than two options, there is a button here where I can add more options. But in this case, I just need a yes and a no. So I can, the first option, yes. Second option, no. Now, so I can post my stuff. That's it. Post it. That's it. So you can see that's the post. So as the students give their feedbacks, it shows right here. So you can see the percentage of those that prefer video. I can see the percentage of those that don't like video. This is how to create a poll on Edmodo. And polls helps us as teachers to assess our students' progress and also to improve our teaching instructions. Thank you very much. Bye.